Today let's talk about employment and young engineers. So as a young graduate engineer, what do you think is best? Looking for a job or creating your own job? In my own perspective, I believe that as a young engineer, the best thing you can do is looking for any way possible to get employment before you start off with your own venture, and I'll give you reasons why. First, apart from the need to gain skills, you need to create what we call a network. In that, in your industry, maybe it is construction, you need to meet senior people, you need to meet specialists who are doing given work, you need to learn what's new in the industry, what technology are they using, and you'll only manage this if you're non-employment structure. You can also learn more things. You learn how companies handle money, how companies handle employees, how they manage losses, how they do risk assessment, how they do marketing, and so on. So these are some of the things that as a young engineer who hopes to maybe one day create their own job, that you need to learn. They say if you want to defeat your enemy, first learn more about your enemy. So this is what you should do. So someone may say, what if I cannot get a job? As a technical person, I think if you cannot get a job, what you should do is invest in yourself. Let's say you are a mechanical person, you're into fabrication. As a young graduate engineer, I think you should go out in the field, look for private entities, find someone out who is doing fabrication, pay them money to work with them. Tell them, I want to work with you for maybe 1 year. I want to learn what you're doing, so that they can bring you in, and as they are mentoring you and teaching you, you're learning the skills, you're learning how things are being created. You're creating a network of people who will in future become your supply chain network, from the clients to the suppliers and so on. So in my own opinion, that's what I would think, that as a young graduate engineer who you're just from school, find ways of either getting a job or getting a mentor to work with, so that you can learn in that after 2, 3, 4 years, when you want to create your own employment structure, you can easily create your employment.